Kim Kardashian last year paid a penalty. Well, she had to pay the SEC 1.26 million.
She did. Wow. Okay.
Did, even though she was paid only $250,000. I think the currency was Ethereum Max.
Yeah.
For promoting it on her Instagram. Floyd Mayweather and DJ Khaled, Floyd paid $614,000. DJ Khaled paid $152,000 in 2020. Steven Seagal paid $314,000.
So these guys were just promoting something that they really didn't research.
So the question is, what went wrong? Why did they have to pay something? Yeah. So it goes back to this assumption or understanding: is cryptocurrency a security? And I don't want to go into the test and the prongs of the test because I don't think the listeners would be that interested at this time. But it refers back to an older case called SEC versus Howey, that there are 4 prongs in determining whether an asset is considered a security under the laws. And if it's deemed to be a security under the securities laws, the Securities Act of 1933 requires that a person promoting a security discloses the compensation that they received and when they received it. And that's the rub. All of these people were penalized or fined by the government for not having disclosed their compensation. Now, here's the interesting thing from what I read about Floyd Mayweather, and as I said, appreciate this is not the focus of what I do, but reading it out of curiosity, I don't think he even said anything. I think he wore swag and that in advertisements, and that was his violation.
So go ahead.
So if you delve into it, and I said whether things are a security or not, it's not really clear. Kim Kardashian's lawyers, in my mind, and I haven't read the details of it. And I wouldn't, even if I read the details of it, I might not know the back and forth that occurred behind the scenes. For anybody who's dealt with a lawyer, you realize that the conversations you have with your client are not always going to come public. They may have conceded whether crypto was security or not. And they should not. If they justified, I'm sure they have considered it. When you're in a legal battle, which I've been in, I'm in a litigation right now on an investment I've made. And again, unfortunately, I'd love to talk about it publicly, but obviously I can't for a range of legal reasons, even though I argue I'm the victim on this. When you're involved in a litigation, there's the economic cost of paying your lawyers. There's the emotional stress that you're under, and you're rolling the dice. Yeah. So I'm not suggesting that how she ended up settling with the SEC was wrong, but I'm just saying it's not necessarily binary or black and white that she was caught red-handed, because they might have taken the position it's not a security.
I see. Okay. So when it comes to the SEC rules, how is doing an ad for crypto, though, specifically different than selling like a beauty product that she has or car?
It's a function of if it's deemed to be that you're promoting the sale or an opportunity to invest in a security. So if you presume cryptocurrency is a security, like if you went out to tout Apple and Apple had paid you $10 million right before you went out, don't you think if I'm a listener, I'd want to know that you got paid $10 million to promote it, as opposed to you've done your research based on it and you're an objective intermediary and you're not biased, as we made reference to journalists earlier, that the public, in an effort to understand how to take your information in, really should know that. And that's what it really goes back to: full and fair disclosure.
So was Floyd's problem that he was paid for wearing whatever he was wearing? I mean, what if he just decided, like, I love this product, I want to promote it? Would he still have gotten in trouble?
I can't imagine if he had no compensation that he would have gotten any trouble.